Basketball, you betcha. I'm ready to get back in the gym. I hope you're ready to get back in the gym as we continue to get it in. It's the Daily Trainer, and you know I'm ready to give you what you need to succeed in the gym, guaranteed. I'm back. Let's go. So we are going to start out with our new clips of our layup series, which is driving from the free throw elbow, making a one-legged layup, then driving from the elbow and jump stopping with 2 feet, and then driving from the elbow again and using your left hand on the right side of the rim. And then we're going to go with a reverse right hand layup and then a reverse left hand layup. That is what you should see on the screen. Then we are going to go into our also new drill where we are going to dribble with 2 cones in front of us, and we are going to retreat dribble in and out. We're going to retreat dribble, double cross, and then we're going to retreat dribble, cross over, and go through the legs. Okay, we're going to work on that and get better at that as I continue to tell you how to do it. So I kind of want to introduce it to you at the end of the week, but I also wanted to make sure you kind of seen it and understand it so that when we talk about it next week, you've already kind of practiced it just a little bit. So we're going to do that dribbling drill. Remember, it's going to be on both sides. I want it 10 times. Okay, I really want you to understand how to retreat dribble because it's very beneficial. So many people use it to release pressure and then to attack their player right after using it. So definitely a good skill to learn early, even if you don't know how to utilize it yet. Basketball U, then I want you to get into our ZigZag drills where we are going to go crossover through the legs, behind the back, and then you're dribbling all the way down. So we're doing our ZigZag dribble drills as well. And that is going to be 5 times on each side of the floor. Yep, that's right. Because I want you to push that ball down with your left hand. And since we're in the pushing of the ball mood, we might as well push it full court with both hands. So we're going to do that next as well. You're going to do that 5 times each on each side. Why are we doing so many reps? Because you need to be in shape. There's no other way to put it. You may not be the person that is ideal for a coach based on visual perception. So you need to be ready to go and do more. And the only way you're going to be able to do more is by pushing your limits. If other people don't do what you do, they won't be able to push the limits like you. Do you understand, basketball you? Okay, that's a little bit of my coaching coming out in me. I need to go back to the Daily Trainer. I'm sorry about that. Anyway, go ahead and get that water break. No free throws this time, and be ready to go because I'm locked in today. Put that water bottle down and let's get back to the nitty-gritty. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to work on our pull-up jumper. Okay, so we're driving down. We're going to go, instead of 3-level shooting, we're going to go right into full dribble pull-ups, right hand and left hand on that free throw line. Okay, so I want you to go 5 times with 5 makes. Hopefully you're making it 5 times in a row. That'd be great. And then also 5 times with the 5 makes going to the left side. So just straight pull-ups, nothing fancy, no threes, just straight mid-range. That is it. Okay. Then I want you to go back to laying the ball up because I want you to see that basketball go in just in case it wasn't. And you're going to do your block to block layup and hash mark to hash mark layup. So you're going to go back and forth, back and forth. Okay, working on your right, working on your left. This is just working on the different levels of steps so that you understand your footwork when laying the basketball up. Okay, so I only want you to do that drill twice. So you're gonna go all the way to the top, finish, and then you're gonna go back to the bottom and do the same thing again. All right, then after that, I want you to work your mid-range shot again with our 3-cone drill where we are dribbling up, pulling up for the mid-range. That is below the free throw line, and then the one that's at the free throw line. I only want you to shoot the mid-range aspect of it, and we're going to knock that out. And we're going to do that 3 makes on each spot. Then I want you to go to the star drill mid-range, and I want you to go 2 times. Make sure you knock your free throws down. And then we're going to run. Yeah, that's right. We're definitely going to run. We got 4 liners. Let's get them done in 36 seconds. Okay? Then you're going to go get your water, and then we're going to get back to it. Let's go, basketball U. This is easy. All right, put that water down. Lace up them shoes a little bit tighter because it's defense time. Oh, yeah. All right. So we're going to get right into it with our defense. You already know what we're doing. Okay. We're working that defensive slide in the key. The goal is 20. So let's get 20 real quick. Let's go 3 times. You're going to be really tired on that last one. Then what I want is our defensive slides coming from the baseline to the block, baseline to the hash mark, baseline to the hash mark, turn and go. I want to see that. Okay, that's always going to work. Remember, you're going to flip it. We're going to do that 3 times. Then I want to see our X drill where we are closing out, sliding across, closing or sliding back on the turn, and then sprinting up. Then what I want to see is our defensive slide from the sideline, our turn and run. Okay, defensive slide, turn and run. Okay, we're just working, turning those hips and running. And we're going to do that 2 times. And then the last but not least, my favorite of the favorites, you're going to run from the baseline, close out, slide backs, back pedal, denial, backdoor denial, close out, or defensive slide, and then we're going to sprint up as like we got a steal. We're going to do that 3 times each as well. Whew! How those legs feeling, basketball U? I know. You're going to thank me when you're locking up whoever's in front of you, because if you put that pressure on them and you're tired, imagine how they feel. Exhausted. That is right, basketball U. You got all the answers. But here's an answer for you. Do you like to run? Because that's what we're about to do. I want you to push the ball full court again instead of doing a liner. So we're just gonna, you can lay it up if you want, but you're gonna push the ball full court up and then full court back. Okay, full speed with your right hand and then with your left hand. You're gonna do that 2 times. All right. And then the last thing I want you to do is shoot our 3s around the perimeter. Okay, so you're going to shoot it all the way around, shoot it all the way back. Then you're going to be at the free throw line. But 10 free throws, basketball U. And please, I need you to sink all of them. And I need you to understand this. Again, what can we do to compete with people that are better than us? Win the battle against me. Meaning you. Meaning you are your competition. You control your destiny. You need to understand that is what it's about. It's not about politics. It's not about who's taller, who's faster, who's stronger. Who gets the job done when it's time for the job to get done. Basketball U, I'm over here dropping gems. I need you to understand that. It is the Daily Trainer. I hope you understand everything that I'm telling you, and I hope you're working hard out there. That is it for today. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and share it with one of your friends that needs to work a little bit harder. Basketball U, remember, someone's always working. Are you?